Sa lahat po ng mga kababayang Pilipino, please walk with us. Please join us. Please be with us until the conclusion of this impeachment trial. Ang sabi po ng nanay ko, pag nagdadasal, dapat iliwanag. Pag nagdadasal, dapat specific. Pag nagdadasal, dapat nilalagsan. Join us as we pray for the conviction of the respondent in this impeachment trial. Maraming salamat po and God bless everyone.
Good.